Welcome to Technolung Reviews. Are you looking for an AI writing tool that will use AI to find SEO keywords and generate content, and that too comes with a lifetime deal? If yes, then watch the full video. Today we will review Yazo, AI SEO Writer, where you can use AI to find SEO keywords and generate content. It is an alternative to Copy.ai, Jasper, and Semrush. It is also best for bloggers, copywriters, and marketing agencies. You will find its lifetime deal for just $29 at Appsumo. It comes with 3 plans, and the price differs from $29 to $87. Here you can get 35,000 words, 100 SEO credits per month, 1 brand voice, 1 user seat in Plan 1, to 300,000 words, 500 SEO credits per month, 3 brand voice, and 3 user seats in Plan 3. When I am reviewing, it shows 18 reviews, and the count is increasing. If we look at the review section, we can see that almost all the reviews are good. This means that Yazo is a quality AI writing tool. Now, without further delay, let's jump into the website of the Yazo tool. Here you can create SEO-optimized content with AI. You can automate content generation, write SEO content that ranks, research relevant keywords for your niche, analyze your competitors, and organize your workplace. Here, you will get 8 key features like AI article writer, chat assistant, AI keyword research, and so on. Now, we will check its dashboard to know how to use it. In the dashboard, you will see a navigation menu on the left, which includes dashboard, projects, content tools like library, chat, AI article writer, brand voice, and SEO tools like keyword planner and domain insights. Moreover, in the front dashboard section, you can see options like compose, chat, write, and so on. First, we will explore the compose. Click on compose. It will lead us to Article Writer version 2. You can also explore this option by clicking on the AI article writer. Now you will need to follow the steps. First, we will check enter a topic. Go and put a title like How to Take Care of Your Dog. Here, in region, we will see different regions. We select the United States, and in language, we will see different languages. We select English. Now click Continue. The next option is to select keywords. Here we will find 3 options. Import from keyword plan. Here, you can import keywords from your keyword plan. We will explore it in Keyword Planner. Custom keywords. With it, you can manually enter keywords, and don't optimize for SEO. Choose this option if you don't want to optimize your article for specific keywords. We select Custom Keywords, and then add new keywords in the box like dog care. You can click on the plus button to add more keywords like this. You can make any keyword, primary keyword here, with this option. Then click Continue. The next step is to select References. 2 different options, like Use Top-Ranking SERP Articles. Here, Yazo will search the web for top-ranking pages related to your topic, and they will be used as references for generating high-quality content. It will cost 15 SEO credits. In the later box, you can add up to 3 references like this. Don't import references. With this option, if you don't want to import online references. Next, click Continue. In the next step, you will find additional content settings, such as language model. Here you will find GPT 3.5 and 4.0. We select 4.0 as it is better than the 3.5 version. Point of view, use it if you need it. Writing tone, there are different writing tones. We select Professional. FAQ, enable it if you need FAQs. Subheadings, enable it if you need to create subheadings. Lists, enable it if you need lists. Tables, enable it if you need tables. Now, click Continue. After that, we will see the Select a Title step. Here, we can enter our title or select title from the options below. Now, click Continue. In Arrange and Customize your headings, you will find Estimated Article Length. Here you can change the position of headings, delete any of the headings, or you can add new headings too. Now click Continue. The next option is to specify talking points. No need to change. Click Continue. Now wait. It will generate the content. You can save and exit from here. Here is your final content. Wow, the article looks great. On the right-hand side, you will see the SEO score. Besides, you will get word count and keywords data too. In the later part, you will see SEO results with different fixes for the betterment of the article. This is a great option to have. Fix those problems as per needs. The next option is chat. With Yazo Chat, you can chat and ask questions like this. Now we will explore the right option. It will lead you to the library. Here you will get different writing options in different categories, such as social media, email, and so on. Here we will explore Facebook ads. In the first box, you need to describe your business or product and goals. Next is the writing tone. There are different writing tones, and we select informative. Language model. Select GPT-4o. Next is input and output language. Select as per needs. Then select the number of outputs, such as 2. Next, generate content. Here are your outputs. It looks promising. The next option is Analyze. Here you can see Domain Insights. In that section, you need to enter a domain. It will cost 15 SC, then search. Here, you will find organic keywords, organic monthly traffic, and estimated traffic value. If we compare its traffic with Semrush traffic, we can see that the traffic data is very close. It means Yazo is a quality SEO data research tool. Here you will find SEO keywords ranking and top pages too. The next option is Explore. Here you can see Keyword Planner. In that section, you need to give the plan name, such as ABC. Now click Create a Plan. Now you need to give keywords, such as pet care. Then select country and language. It will show keywords with intent, search volume, difficulty, and actions. Now select keywords with a plus sign. With this, you can create articles. It will lead us to Article Writer version 2. The next options are the same. We already discussed it. In projects, you will see your previous projects. So it is a complete review with a step-by-step tutorial on Yazo, an AI SEO writing tool. If you follow this video, you will not need any tutorials to use this tool. If you need this tool, then you can buy its lifetime deal from Appsumo at just $29. You can buy more plans depending on your needs. I give the lifetime deal link in the description of the video. Just go to the link and purchase it if you really need it. It is an affiliate link. If you purchase from this link, I will get a small percentage, and you get a 10% discount also. Moreover, if you really like this video, please subscribe to us and give us a like. And for more information, please visit technolung.com.